Good evening and welcome back. It's Monday, so let's mint mask. I missed you guys last week, but I, like you, took the opportunity to enjoy my labor-less holiday and took the evening off. So I hope you had a great labor-less holiday, and I am very happy to be back with you this evening. Tonight, I want to visit with you just a couple of minutes about friendship. Now, there's a lot of friendships in our lives. We have friendships at work. We have friendships on Facebook. And we have friendships at church. And there's a lot of places you can have friendships. And they vary from degrees of intimacy and degrees of sacrifice, degrees of expectation. I kind of list them in 1 to 5 stars. The 5 star is the ride or die friend. The 1 star is the friend that you have at work and you're hospitable and you know a little bit about each other and you might exchange a card on a birthday or something. But it's simple and it's not very complicated, not very deep. But those 5 stars. Those 5 star friends, or to be a 5 star friend, now that's a horse of a different color. I had the privilege today to sit across the lunch table from one of my absolute 5 star friends. This brother and I have not sat together in 2 years. He lives out of the country, and the last time he was in the States and he and I got to sit together was 2 years ago. But the amazing thing about a 5 star friendship is that even after 2 years of physical separation, when you sit down at that table, you feel like you saw him just yesterday. And I want to give a shout out to another one of my 5 star friends in the great island of Jamaica. Brother Rosegreen, I love you, brother. I miss you. But 5 star friends come with not only a great deal of benefit, but it also comes at a bit of a price, because to be a 5 star friend, or actually rather to have a 5 star friend, you're going to have to be a 5 star friend. A 5 star friend isn't that for a 1 star. You don't get that sense of intimacy. You don't get that sense of vulnerability. You don't get that level of accountability. You just don't have that in a 1 star friendship. But those 5 star friendships, they take a great deal of time. Those don't happen overnight. And also, you need to know this, they do not happen in absentia. You've got to spend time eyeball to eyeball, soul to soul with these folks. And you've got to be willing to share difficult times with them and to weep with them when those occasions come. And you've got to be willing to celebrate with them and let them into your life as well. 5 star friends are those guys and gals who can speak absolute truth and life into you, into your circumstances, into your concerns, into your worries, into your questions. They just have a special place in your life. And so if you have a 5 star friend, I read somewhere, I don't know who to give credit to, that said if a person can have 3 to 5 of these 5 star friends, that they are truly, truly wealthy. And I want to ask you tonight, do you have any 5 star friends? I want to ask you an even better question. Are you a 5 star friend for someone else? Ladies and gentlemen, you can go looking for a 5 star friend and you can desire a 5 star friend, but the greatest place to start is work to be a 5 star friend. Be willing to offer and to give and to sacrifice and to listen and to cheer and to weep and be willing to give that 5 star friendship, because in return, more often than not, that's what you'll receive. 5 star friends make life a lot better. It's terrible when you miss them, but it is so great when you get a chance to see them. So my challenge to each of us this week is this. Let's be better friends. Let's be better 1 stars. Let's move our 1 stars to 2. How about we move our 2 to 3 and our 3 to 4? And how about we reinvest in our 5-star friendships and maybe start some new ones? Remember, it's always more blessed to give than receive. And whatever you give, typically you will get back. I just want to say thank you for your gift, as always, your most precious time. And I hope the Lord will bless you this week. And I look forward to being with you again next week, if it is His will, here for Mint Mask with a message.